Ready to unlock your full potential and empower your healthy wellness? We have exercises that invigorate and mindfulness practices that soothe, healthy foods that fuel your body. Welcome everyone to your journey towards holistic wellness. Here at Empower Healthy Wellness, we believe in empowering you to take charge of your physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Enjoy.
Ever wondered about the secret to rapid weight loss? Today we're unlocking the mystery with some delicious, easy-to-make, fat-burning smoothie recipes. These smoothies are not just tasty, but also packed with nutrients that can help you shed those extra pounds in no time. So sit back, relax, and prepare to jot down some notes. First up, we have the Green Goddess Smoothie. This nutrient-packed smoothie combines the freshness of spinach with the tanginess of pineapple and the creaminess of avocado. Start by adding 2 cups of fresh spinach into your blender. Follow this with a cup of frozen pineapple chunks and half an avocado. Pour in a cup of unsweetened almond milk and blend until smooth. This green powerhouse is high in fiber, low in calories, and rich in healthy fats, making it an excellent choice for weight loss. Next, we introduce the Berry Blast Smoothie, a perfect blend of antioxidants and fiber. Begin with a cup of mixed berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, whatever you love. Add in a banana for sweetness and a cup of Greek yogurt for a protein kick. Lastly, pour in a cup of unsweetened almond milk, and blend until you achieve a smooth consistency. This berry delight not only satisfies your sweet tooth, but also aids in digestion and boosts your metabolism. Our third recipe is the Tropical Turmeric Smoothie. Kickstart your day with this anti-inflammatory and fat-burning drink. Add a cup of chopped mangoes and pineapples in your blender. Toss in a teaspoon of turmeric and a small piece of ginger. Pour in a cup of coconut water and blend until you get a smoothie with a beautiful golden hue. This tropical treat is not only delicious but also packed with ingredients known to aid in weight loss. Now let's summarize. These smoothie recipes are not just about weight loss. They are about incorporating healthy, whole foods into your diet. They are about feeling good from the inside out. The Green Goddess Smoothie is high in fiber and healthy fats. The Berry Blast Smoothie is packed with antioxidants and aids digestion. And the Tropical Turmeric Smoothie has anti-inflammatory properties and aids in fat burning. Each of these smoothies is a blend of simple, natural ingredients that you likely already have in your kitchen. They're quick to make, delicious to taste, and most importantly, they're designed to fuel your body and help you reach your weight loss goals. Remember, the secret to rapid weight loss isn't just about dieting, it's about making sustainable changes to your lifestyle. It's about finding balance, nourishing your body, and enjoying the journey towards a healthier you. So why not start that journey with a delicious smoothie in hand? Try these recipes and experience the transformation yourself. That's all for today. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep blending.
Like this video? Don't forget to hit the like button, comment, and subscribe for more fun and learning. Leave a comment below and let me know. Thanks for watching.